Hi, this is Dubis Forex Academy. Welcome to our weekly analysis. Today, 5th of June 2023. I'm excited today to once again to show us what the market looks like, what we're expecting in the market this week. All right. We normally like to start with gold, XAU, USD. All right, so we also need to look at what happened previously. Last week review of our analysis. Last week our analysis was spot on gold. We told you that price will most likely bounce from here and move up. It did move up, and we bought last week, and that's why we'll tell you to join our Telegram channel, free Telegram channel, Dubis Forex Academy. Dubis is D-U-B-I-S-S, double S. There are ones that are creating fake account now with our name, either 1S or 3S, or as the case may be. Our own is 2S, Dubis, D-U-B-I-S-S. All right. So last week we made over, let's check it together. Last week we made, look at it, over 400 pips, over 450 pips from gold. This week already, we have already sent to our pay group to start to buy gold because price have hit also this low. We're expecting price to still bounce from this point and go up. So we are buying gold at the moment, even though on a bigger picture, we feel that gold is bearish, but you have to bounce from here to get a good entry point to sell gold. So at the moment, we are buying gold. So if you're just seeing this video, please, you can join the trade. We are buying gold, all right? Subscribe to our Telegram channel, Dubis Forex Academy, and then ensure you like this video and share this video, all right? So let's go to also, so this is what we are expecting from gold also this week. We have to buy gold before we sell. So at the moment we are buying, so you can join the trade, all right? So let's go to EuroCAD. Remember that we told you that EuroCAD is on its way down to 38.2, so it's very close to 38.2. So we have been selling EuroCAD. So congratulations to all those that hold their position up to this point. So it's getting closer to 38.2, right? So look at massive movement, over 700 pips when we started selling this pair. All right, here at this point we anticipated that it may bounce and from there go down. So you can see that the pressure was high, so it's getting closer to this point. All right, so this is the point that is getting closer to. Let me highlight it so that we know that we need to be careful around this region. All right, so you need to be careful around this region. So you should be thinking about booking your profits around this where price is getting to right now. Okay, so USD CHF daily. All right, remember we told you when price got to this point that price could actually break here. Last week we told you it could respect here and then or break it. So but at that moment we say we have to wait to see a proper break of this structure before we can start resume buying opportunity, or here respected and go down. So at the moment price is trying to break it. Let's reduce it. Okay, sorry. Not this particular one. So price is trying to break here. So what we're expecting this week also, once price break here, it will go down. Otherwise, let's reduce this here so that we know exactly what we're looking at. So once price break this structure properly, once price breaks it and retest it, then we can buy. Otherwise, price may fall back. So we need to first of all wait to see if price will break here and continue to go, or price will respect that zone and fall. So that is it for USD CHF. All right, so let's go to AUD USD. AUD USD, remember we told you last week that from this point price will go back here, retest it and go down. So price have actually done that. So that's why I told you that our last week analysis was spot on. So look at it, over 100 pips. All right, so where price is right now, we need to wait to see if price will break back into this zone or it will respect here and go down. So where price is now, we have to wait. So this week you have to wait to see if price will eventually come back here, all right, move more up, all right, retest here and then continue to move up. All right, so this is what we're expecting since price has broken back into this region. All right, so that is it for AUD USD. Same scenario with NZD USD. We already buying NZD USD. We started buying NZD USD last week, And I told you, when I told you that price will most likely move to test here from this point. Let's see how many pips. This is over 100 pips made. Yes, we book TP2 100 pips. So we are still waiting to see if price will respect here and go down, or if price will continue to go up. Of course, we are still on the buy with stop loss at break even. All right. So for Euro USD, remember when price broke here, I told you that price will most likely continue to move downwards, and that is what this price is doing now. So right now, I'm not seeing a very great opportunity on Euro USD because I need to be ready to be sure that price will continue to go down. All right, so price reversing here. So this place is not an entry point in case you missed the entry point when we started selling from this point. So we need to hold on to see what price it will be telling us. Price action, very important to see what is price doing. GBPUSD, all right, GBPUSD, when it touched here, I told you that this is around this area is entry point for buy. So I didn't really buy this because I was still expecting price to touch here before buying. So but I told people that are aggressive, of course at this point price could move up, and of course it did move up. Right now it's going down again, probably going back to retest here. All right, so that's for GBPUSD. Okay, so let's go to USD/JPY. USD/JPY, I told you guys that we could start selling if we see price touching here. All right, so last week price didn't touch there, started dropping, but of course it came back to this place, and that's why you need to clearly see our zones where we marked out. All right, our key levels, which is support and resistance. Some people call it support and resistance. Also some people call it supply and demand zone. Of course you can see that it's touched here, which is a demand zone. Price bounced from here. All right, so for me to trade USD/JPY, I need to wait to see price touched here. All right, or if price breaks back this point, then I'll continue to sell USD/JPY. So that is it. For USD card, we started selling USD card last week when price touched here. You can see this is like a double top at this point. This, a lot of people try to ask us, what do you normally see? There are a lot of things you can see to confirm your direction for a particular trade. All right, this place, even if you drag it, you will see that that place is a key level. Look at it, this particular place now where price touch, and then it started bouncing. Okay, so this is normally what we see when we tell you to take your entry point. Right, you can see how many times price touched here, it reversed. Here also, this, like you can call this like a fake breakout. All right, came down here, went down, came back here. I have to send it for a sale last week, and we've already made 150 pips. Right, look at it. This is over 200 pips, but we started selling around this point, so around 150 pips we've made, and we're still believing that price will still go down more. So for this week, any small retracement should be an opportunity to still sell. All right, to still sell down at least up to this point. So this is where we are at least expecting price to touch up to this particular zone here. Now this is another place we need to wait to see price get to. Right, this is another place. So any meaningful move up is just an entry point to go down up to this point. So for those that missed the entry point last week, watch out for a bounce, a little bounce here. From there you go down. So we are still selling USD card. All right. Oh yes, you can see Euro GBP, guys. Follow our analysis. We are spot on. Euro GBP. When price, look at it from this point, we started selling last week. I just added this place because this place started acting as a resistance. All right, when here was broken and it started acting as a resistance, I told you that price will still go down more, at least to touch this particular place. Eventually price did went down and it have gone and touched our demand zone. So what are we expecting again? Price to bounce, and it's already bouncing. So we're expecting price to bounce from this point back upwards, at least up to this place, before we now talk about going up. All right, so this one I've played out. This is what played out. If you break here, retest, go down, break, retest, down. From here, we are going back upwards. So this is amazing. So let's hold on. These are latest analysis for Euro GBP. So price is back to up. We are buying Euro GBP back to this resistance zone here. All right. So GBP-CHF also did a very good job for GBP-CHF. We told you that as far as price is ranging around here, that this trade will continue to serve as support. So from here, we entered our buy. So eventually last week, everything hit our TP5. So it was last week that he eventually hit our TP5. Look at it, over 250 pips made from GBP-CHF, all right? So it have hit our TP5. Of course, we don't need to wait to touch it because you can see the last time it touched here, went down, come here, went down, come here again, went down. So right now, also touched here again and it's going down, all right? So this week, probably price will bounce back, all right? Bounce either to this point, and then from this point, price will now do what? Move up again, right? So this is what we should expect for this. Just like as it happened here, it came down and moved up. But look at how many days it stayed around here before it moved up to this point. So right now it could come down here and move up again. So for GBP, JPY, I'm already on this trade and I told people to join the trade. Just like I told people to join gold. Okay, gold, I've already hit my TP. All right, so I hit my TP for the trade, TP1. I'm buying gold, it have hit my TP1. Going to TP2, TP2 is around 1950. I'm still buying gold. So for CHF, GBP, JPY, also I'm selling GBP, JPY. All right. Last week we sold it, we make around 100 pips. This week again, we are selling it again. Look at it, we are selling it again on daily time frame. And then we want to sell GBP. We believe that price will even break down this place and go down, more down, all right? So you can join the trade, still very fresh. So that once you see price hitting here, you should ensure that you book some of your profits, right? I'm already selling the GBP, JPY, so you can join the trade. So we believe that this week price will still move down, all right? Based on how we still believe that price from where it is right now, it will go down, all right? All right, so we are believing that price will go down from here and it will go down more. Oh, why is it hanging? All right, yeah, so this is, I believe that from where it is right now, price could go down. All right, we can see something like this. We can see something like this when it hits here, sorry. All right, because I'm on a trade on some of them, that's why it's doing all those things. So we could see price hitting down here, then it will bounce off. After that, all right, this is what we could see. This is what we could see. All right, price hit here, come back again and fall a failure swing, and from there it's fired down. So this is my analysis for GBP-JPY. So you can join the trade right now. If you're seeing the trade, you can join the trade right now. All right, so let's go to Euro-JPY. Euro-JPY, same scenario. We were selling Euro-JPY last week. We still believe that price will still go down more, right? Price will still go down for Euro-JPY. So you can join the trade for sell for Euro-JPY. I don't have much to talk about this week, just to let us know that the direction, our bias is still same. CHF-JPY, we are selling CHF-JPY, so we are still on the sell. You can still join the trade. It's still very fresh. You can join the trade for sell, and price will definitely go down more. All right, for dollar, you can see dollar index. We told you that where price is right now, so price could actually try to move more up, right, to maybe to these points here, right, to form a double top. Otherwise, price could still continue to go down. That's when you understand the direction of a dollar, you will now know how to analyze other pairs. So these are our bias for this week, all right? These are our bias for this week, more especially CHF JPY, GBP JPY, guys, enter the trade for sale. Euro JPY, same scenario, all right? And of course, USD CAD, we have sold. We are waiting for a little bounce. You can take a new entry, but the direction is downwards trend. And then, of course, the gold, we told you already, price could actually bounce more up from where it is right now. We're expecting price to go up more before any meaningful move downwards. All right. Okay, so please subscribe to this channel, Dubis Forex Academy. Ensure you join our Telegram channel, Dubis Forex Academy. All right. This is our Telegram channel, Dubis Forex Academy. All right. So this is our Telegram channel. Please subscribe to this channel, and you can see that we're already selling for our pay group. You can see that we are selling gold. Told you we are buying gold and we are selling gold. This is our pay group. All right. So by joining our Telegram, I've given you a expo now what we are buying and what we are selling on our pay group. But you can join our free group where we also send free analysis and free signals. All right. Okay. So and also finally, let's just look at you can see our YouTube channel. I just showed you our YouTube channel. This is our YouTube channel, Dubis Forex Academy. You can also subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dubis Forex Academy. Then, just to let you know what we're expecting this week. Today by 3 p.m. there's news also coming down. All right, for dollar, you can see it. It seems so very soon it will drop. All right, and then this week there are some fundamentals. So just go to Forex Factory to see some of the news, what we're expecting, fundamental analysis for this week. All right, so thank you very much, guys, for watching. Ensure you subscribe to this channel, Dubis Forex Academy. All right, thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Cheers, guys.